Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to replace the expansion tank on an Audi A6 C5 2.4-liter gasoline engine. As you can see, over time, the expansion tank of the cooling system has become opaque. It has changed from white to yellow, and there are also signs of rust on its walls. Using such a tank is inconvenient because if I want to check the coolant level, it's hard to see at what level it is, and I can't easily determine where the minimum and maximum levels are. So, I ordered a new expansion tank and decided to go with the Febi brand. I don't know if it's a good brand or not, but the main thing is that it's not the cheapest. Here is what the new expansion tank looks like. Notice how white it is. Now, let's proceed with its installation. Replacing the expansion tank is very simple, and you don't need to drain the coolant for this. You just need to use a syringe and a tube to remove all the coolant from the tank. Then, unscrew the 3 bolts securing it to the engine compartment frame. Next, lift the tank and disconnect the coolant level sensor plug. In the final step, you need to remove 2 hoses, a small one for the return and a larger one for the supply. Then take the new expansion tank, first connect the sensor plug, then tighten the 3 bolts, and only after that, connect the 2 hoses. You can see the result of the work on the screen. Now I can clearly see the coolant level in the system, making it easier to monitor its presence. As you can see, there is nothing complicated about replacing such parts. If this video was helpful, please support the channel with a like and a subscription. Bye!